What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Yes, you guys, this is my favorite Dollar Tree. Well, this one and another one. And it's right next to Aldi. I just finished in Aldi. Yes, you guys, I have to charge up with my little power bank or battery or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to be doing that as soon as I go in the door. But I am back to Dollar Tree once again. This is the same one I just went live in. Unfortunately though, I don't have a whole lot of time. They will be closing in about a half an hour. Hi again. I told Jerry, this is Jerry's store. I told Jerry, hey, I'm gonna be back. Ooh, speaking of returning, these have returned. These show up every year and I think they're just so pretty. Oh, these are cute too. Phone ring with strapped. Also in pink, green, and blue. Okay, so Jerry was telling me all about these new things over here. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have to check this out together because it just looks so pretty. We have relax. Life is better at the beach. They say home is where the heart is. For me, it's by the sea. We have salty and happy. We have relax and home. And these are nice and big. Look at that, super big. The beach is calling and I must go. My stepmom is a real beach lover. Beach vibes only. Meet me at the seaside. I love that they added a little metallic touch. This is cute. It looks like a big gift tag. And it has a little bit of cork on it. It's pretty thin, super cute. These would be nice little bag tags. If you wanted to give a sea themed or summer gift or beach themed gift, or maybe you're just having a party on the beach. I don't know. I think it'll work for a lot of things though. Let the sea set you free. Relax. Yes, you guys, relax. That's not how you say that. Relax. The beach fixes everything. Yeah, you guys, I'm a little bit like frazzled. I had a super huge amount of groceries. Super huge amount of groceries. And that was a big chore, loading it all up into all of the bags and then into the car. What does this say? Lake life. Lake life. We also have Wish Upon a Starfish. Those are really cute. Welcome. Seize the day. Really impressive, you guys. The shell is so pretty. I love these. This has to be one of my favorite shore inspired collections that they've ever put out. Really cute. Ooh, and then look, we have wax melts. We have aquamarine and summer seas. And then we also have the matching candles. There's so many varieties of these wall arts as well. Wow. Once Easter clears out, you guys definitely come into your Dollar Tree and check out the spread. I heard it's about to be amazing. We have lots of nails from LA Colors that are new. These are the Color Flare tips, part of the Color Flare collection. We also have a geometric collection, 12 in a pack. Most of these are short square. That's a pretty color. The orange with the line, that's cute. Yeah, these are really cute. And then we have lots of polishes from the Treat Yourself line. This is a pretty purpley blue. I really like that a lot. Ooh, what's this? I thought I had seen this one, but I think it's slightly different. Let's see. It has like little pieces of orange in it and blue. I think I need it. I think the little panda buckets are new. They're new for me, at least. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna plug my phone in and then I'm gonna share even more with you guys. This store is amazing. If you missed it, I went live in here. A lot of you came along and we found so many new items. So definitely get ready for a lot of new items if you guys weren't along with me earlier. I'm all plugged in and ready to go. Ready to share a bunch of new items with you guys. Ooh, we have the Mother's Day items. Brave, strong, loved, mom, the shakers. You are the best. The shakers are so cute. I just love glitter and all that stuff. Shiny things, you know, just like a crow. It's like, ooh, show me the shiny things. Wife, mother, coffee lover. Oh, that's cute. What else do we have? We have too much Monday, not enough coffee, and less is more, unless it's coffee. Okay, wife, mother, coffee lover. That's funny. This is Our Happy Place, super cute with the yellow. Start each day with a grateful heart. We also have brand new laser cut makeup brush holders, and these are brand new this week. The bright pink and the light blue. And then we have the Be Pure hot and cold eye pads. If these prints are looking familiar to you guys, it's because they match the super pretty silky eye pillows or eye masks that you guys probably saw last week. Lavender shower fizzers with real lavender in them. All of the gift bags, the fabric gift bags, 3 to a pack. They're not organza though, they look like a plastic. The little containers, the gift boxes, and over here we have a variety of candy. These are the Funfetti cake mixes, and my store has them marked down to 50 cents. I'm gonna take you, don't cry, I'm gonna take you past the makeup. Don't worry, in another video, we will come back to the makeup. Promise me you'll come back. Excuse me. I'm gonna take you guys down here to a huge new display. And I mean huge, huge new display. These are also new for men this week. Spike Messy and Clean men's hair gel. Here's the display. This is where I was earlier, and it's still looking like I left it. We have lots of new items, and I mean lots, you guys. We have brand new body wash from Bolero, 3 different kinds, all 6.8 ounces. The first one is water lily and cucumber. Then we have chamomile and honey, lavender and vanilla, and beach rose and hibiscus. And then we have 4 new body scrubs, cactus flower and pear, rose water and jasmine, lavender and orange blossom, and eucalyptus and verbena. Those are body scrubs, each coming in at 5 ounces. And then we have the matching whipped body creams. These are the complementary scents to the body washes. 5 ounces each. And then we also have 4 new varieties of bath bombs. We have raspberry, is it raspberry and something else? Raspberry rose, pineapple hibiscus, coconut milk mango, and lavender and lemon. Get ready, you guys. The packaging on these is insane. I think I need bags like this, little like shipping bags like this for my live auctions. As of right now, I'm doing live auctions here on my channel every Thursday night. So click the link down below if you want to register. But I would love to have some shipping bags like this. Bolero, if you're listening, where do you get your shipping bags? I need a box of each, please. I mean, these are so cute. This is just the packaging to get our attention for this super cute line. We have a facial jelly mask, lavender and chamomile. We have papaya and vitamin C. That's an under eye cream. We have mimosa flower and tea tree. And we have rosehip and hyaluronic acid. Also papaya and vitamin C. I think I said that already. And coconut and niacinamide. Green tea and lactic acid. This is the one that I was kind of laughing at during my live because I was like, wait, Oh, this one. I was like, lactic acid, isn't that what you get after you work out and your muscles are sore? I don't know, you guys, but we have a nice variety of face balms, under eye creams, facial hydrators, jelly face masks, and jelly facial serums. But that's not it, you guys. That is not it. We also have this entire line here. So each scent is 4 products. Well, not quite. We have a beard serum in blue eucalyptus and sage, a facial cleanser, a gentle face exfoliator, and a facial moisturizer. Now, the blue line consists of mist, toner, moisturizer, and exfoliator, and that is in green tea and coconut. Lastly, or not really lastly, because we have another one hiding on another end cap, we have the Renew facial mist in rose water and chamomile, also the toner, the moisturizer, and the exfoliator. But hey, you guys, this video is getting long. Come right back to the very next video. I'm gonna finish up here. I have a couple more scents I'm gonna show you that's on another end cap, and then we're gonna run down to makeup. So come back to my very next video, you guys. We have so many new items here in this super humongous store. This has to be the biggest store in my area, and I'm super excited about it. So you guys come back to see all the new items. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Bye, guys.